Snagajob Online Job Platform Review Usage Experience. Welcome to today's review of Snagajob, one of the leading job platforms for hourly and part-time work. Links to Snagajob are in the description, so check them out if you're looking for flexible job opportunities. Snagajob focuses on hourly, part-time, and shift-based jobs, making it an excellent choice for students, gig workers, and those looking for side income. The platform features jobs across multiple industries, including retail, hospitality, healthcare, and customer service, with top employers like Amazon, McDonald's, and UPS actively hiring. Unlike traditional job sites, Snagajob emphasizes quick hiring, often allowing job seekers to apply within minutes using its one-click apply feature. The user experience is simple and mobile-friendly. You can create a profile, upload a resume, and apply for jobs directly from the platform. Employers can also reach out to candidates based on their profiles, increasing hiring chances. Additionally, Snagajob offers a job matching algorithm, which suggests positions based on your experience, skills, and location, making job hunting more efficient. A standout feature is Snagajob's flexible shift scheduling tool, which allows workers to find on-demand shifts from various employers. This is particularly useful for those who need immediate income or prefer gig-style work over traditional employment. For employers, Snagajob provides affordable job postings and applicant tracking tools, making it easier to recruit workers quickly. It's particularly popular among small businesses and franchises looking to fill positions with minimal hiring friction. One downside is that Snagajob primarily caters to entry-level and hourly workers, so professionals seeking salaried roles won't find many options. Additionally, while some job postings allow direct applications, others redirect users to external employer sites, which may require additional steps. Overall, Snagajob is a top choice for those looking for fast, flexible, and reliable hourly work opportunities. If you're looking for part-time work or extra shifts, it's definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description and start your job search today.